it's a choice. It comes down to that. Weight loss is a choice, whether or not you want to do that. I've lost 60 pounds at this point. He focuses on the entire body, not just on your weight loss. I was looking on the internet and found his website. And I really liked it because not only was it talking about weight loss, but it was also talking about changes in your eating habits, your lifestyle, and those types of things, which I knew through past weight loss that I really needed to reevaluate for me in order to take the weight off and then also be able to keep it off. My weight loss journey, because that's really what it is. It's been 3 years. It was a lot of talking about what type of foods to eat, and never was you have to eat these foods, or he has the supplements and the protein bars and that type of stuff. But I didn't want to lose weight just with that. I knew I needed to add other foods. So it's been also a journey with him on how he explained the types of foods and how often you need to eat and why you do that, and the ratio between protein and carbohydrates and calories. So that was something I was able to understand. And it's after you start doing it for a while, you can actually, you know what you're supposed to be eating, but it's not, oh, you have to have a salad. I think I'm much better at going someplace and looking at a menu at a restaurant or going to somebody's house and understanding those types of things that I should be putting on my plate. Maybe not to say you can't have everything, but those things that you should have more of versus those things that you should have less of. I think everybody has gotten to where they are weight-wise on a different journey. And you can't say there are different foods, there's different things that they do. So he's been he's been very good about that. We've gone through a couple of different medications that have just, for me, they've helped me not be as hungry, so that I can think about what I'm putting in my mouth. As I tell him, sometimes it's not I'm hungry, it's I'm just putting things in my mouth that I shouldn't. I think everybody does that. I think everybody has, whether it's situations, food, places you are, emotions that cause that. And he works all the way through that. I mean, he understands that. He asks, why? What are you doing differently? How are you not doing this? What can we do? Where can we go? Okay, we need to get you for more exercise. Have you tried yoga? Have you tried running? Have you tried, to the point where he said, why don't you and your husband go do ballroom dancing of some sort? Just get out there and move. It's not about having to be on the treadmill, if that's not what it is. It's not about having to go to a gym. He's more about, you have to be more active. So what's going to make it so that you're more active? So it's like walking the dog for us. It's try to do yoga. He understands that you're making a lifestyle change versus just losing the weight. He focuses on the entire body, not just on your weight loss. I guess the best thing is that you call up Dr. Tack because you're sick or whatever, and he calls you back. You don't have to worry about which doctor in the practice you're going to be talking to. He knows you. It's not somebody's reading the chart, they've never talked to you before, and you have an emergency. It's nice. It's like having I would say, an old-fashioned physician, where when you need them, you can call them up and you know they're going to call, or they're going to try to get you in some way, shape, or form. And they're going to try to work with you versus having to work within the schedule of a large mega doctor's office, which is where a lot of primary care people are these days.